Hi guys, welcome to new video, and today's video is going to be very interesting for you. Don't miss today's video if you want to learn self-defense techniques, because in today's video we'll teach you the best technique of self-defense of an incident that can happen to you at any time. Someone can grab you like this and this incident can happen to you, so we will teach you the best technique of self-defense, then how to defend yourself if someone grab you like this position and pinch you with the wall. In this condition, the first thing you have to do is shake yourself vigorously to loosen his grip a little. So let's show you again. Shake yourself like this. When his grip will be loosened, then step number 2, as soon as his grip will loosen, you immediately use the strength of your shoulder to pull your body out from one side, taking a step like this. Now here you will twist your body under his arm like this and lock his both arms in this position. Now, condition number 2 will tell you that if you are trying to free yourself from him and get out, and he controls you more tightly during this time, then you have to do it first. What should you do here? Here you have to quickly bend your knee and push your body downward. As soon as you push your body downward, he will roll over you and you will be free from his grip. Condition number 3, this can also happen to you if you are trying to free yourself in this way and he grabs your neck while you are freeing yourself. Then what should you do here? Now here you can see your arm will be free when he grab your neck. Then you will grab his knee like this and lift up on your shoulder. Now here you can throw him. Guys, now I will show you these techniques in fast motion, how these techniques works or not. So let's start. This position. Technique number 1. This. Technique number 2. Yes. Three. Yes. Guys, hope you like this video. Guys, if you want to learn this technique, watch the video carefully, repeat it and follow the instruction. If your steps or stances are correct, then you can do the technique correctly. If your stances and steps are not correct, then you will never be able to do this technique professionally. And if you want to learn more interesting videos, then subscribe our channel, share our video. Thank you.